Alright, so we're at the top. There's Gore Range. Again, we have Wild Ridge way down there. You can see our skin tracks up to the top here. We have the flat tops. There's get over here to Bellyache. I'm sure we can see. Yeah, I think the camera's right on Bellyache. I haven't seen what's coming up here. And these are the New Yorks, and I've never seen them this closely. Say what's up, Brad. Pay dirt. Pay dirt. Top of the mountain, top of the Rockies. That's the good stuff. We're gonna get a couple of pictures up here. And then DJ's been so kind to give him my avalanche briefing. It's a 2-year reminder. Been out of the game for a while. So looking forward to hitting some good turns here. Loving it.